Chen here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on Jvzoo, okay? You want to understand what it is, the marketplace, how it works. Can you really make money from Jvzoo? And we're going to talk about that in the next few minutes, okay? Now, Jvzoo is one of the biggest digital information product affiliate marketplaces, okay? So that means you can come onto Jvzoo for free and you can basically create a free account. You can log in here and you can find basically affiliate marketing products in all different types of categories. So e-commerce, business, internet marketing, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software, right? And just like a lot of the other big marketplaces like ClickBank or Share a Sale or Amazon Associates, it is just a marketplace. That's all it is, right? Now they're very, very established. They've been around for many years, and all you really have to do is create a free account, pick the products that you want to pick, okay? And then you have to market that product. But here's the thing. It's not whether Jvzoo can make you money. You can market products from anywhere, you know, from any marketplace like ClickBank or Jvzoo, and they're all great marketplaces. The problem is that most affiliates of Jvzoo don't make any money because they don't understand how to market the products. Okay, so understand that Jvzoo, all it is it's a marketplace. That's it, pure and simple. Okay, it gives you access to different products that you can choose, and obviously some products are better than others. Some have better sales pages, some have worse sales pages, but they don't teach you how to market the products. All right, that, my friend, you have to figure out on your own. So the question that you need to ask yourself is not whether Jvzoo is legitimate or not. It is. It's a marketplace. They've been around for many years. They've paid out tens and hundreds of millions of dollars to different affiliates. The question you should be asking yourself is, how do you sell the Jvzoo product successfully, okay? And the problem is most Jvzoo affiliates don't understand marketing, all right? And so it's not about just taking the Jvzoo product and sending traffic towards it, because if you do that, then you're going to look like every other Jvzoo affiliate marketer out there, right? And if you look like everybody else, then what happens is nobody buys from you because you look like everybody else, all right? So if you think about it, if you were to pick one product on Jvzoo and you were to sell it, okay, you would, and let me give you a perfect example. Let me give you a perfect example of this, right? So if you were to sell, if you were to take a Jvzoo product, and it doesn't really matter what it is, okay, and you were to send traffic to it, and this is what everybody does on online, right? You send traffic, and what I mean by traffic is you go to different pools of audiences all over the internet. So whether it's through social media, through pay-per-click advertising, through banner advertising, there's lots of different ways that you can generate traffic, right? Eyeballs, potential customers to see your product. If you do it in this particular format, which is what everybody does, the conversion rate on this is 0.5%, okay? That means if you send 100 people to your Jvzoo product and they see it, you will only make half a sale, okay? So that means that if if you were to make $15 on the product in revenue, okay, that's revenue, right? But it costed you, sorry about that, but it costed you, let's just say, $2 per lead, right? So it costed you $200 to get 100 people, $200 to get 100 people to see your product, right? That means, and you've only made half a sale, which is like $15 because some of the products are $30. This is just an example, okay? How much money have you actually made? Well, actually you're down $185. I don't know if you realize that. Okay, because you had to spend money to get people to see your product. You had to drive traffic, right? And on average, it costs roughly about $2 per lead to get someone to see your affiliate marketing offer. Okay, so most people are getting broke. They're going broke. They're losing money because the conversion rate is very, very low. Okay, so again, it's not about whether Jvzoo is legitimate or not. It is legitimate, right? It's about whether you understand marketing and you're able to generate good promotions, create great promotions online so that you can have a much higher conversion rate. Okay, now when you do it my way, all right, my average conversion rate is 8.5%. I'm able to almost 10 times actually it's way more than 10 times if you do the math on this, right? If your conversion rate is 0.5%, so what's that? 8.5 divided by 0.5, I'm able to 17 times I'm able to 17x the average conversion rate of most Jvzoo product affiliate marketers. Now, how am I able to do that, right? Well, I would love to teach you how to do that. It's basically, the formula is very, very simple, okay? It's all about understanding something called, let me see. So when you are able, okay, to do this plus this equals that, okay? So this is my formula. BM plus M equals as many sales as you want through the Jvzoo platform, if that's what you really want to sell, okay? But the problem is that most affiliate marketers, or most people that want to learn affiliate marketing, they don't understand this formula because they've never seen it before, okay? And it took me 8 years to learn this formula. So my first 8 years, I spent more than $90,000 on my hard-earned money. I was trying to market all sorts of products online. I spent more than $90,000 on advertising, on buying products, on marketing and all that stuff, and I had really nothing to show for it. And it wasn't until 2016 when I finally learned this formula that my life completely changed. I went from going broke to generating tens of thousands of dollars in my business. I regularly make more than $500 in affiliate marketing sales every single day, and now I teach hundreds of students all around the world how to do exactly the same thing by implementing this exact formula. And when you learn it, it's actually really, really simple, okay? And then you can go out there and you can sell any affiliate product you want. You can sell Jvzoo products, you can sell ClickBank products, you can sell your own products, you can sell Amazon associate products, you can sell any product you want, okay? Because this formula is really, really flexible, okay? And in April 2019, I was able to quit my full-time job. I've been doing corporate sales for the last 15 years. I quit that job 100%. I more than doubled my corporate income. I'm close to tripling my old corporate income now, it's just been the most amazing, journey for me. But it did take me a long time to learn this BM plus M formula. Okay, so listen, if you're here right now and you're trying to find out a bit more about Jvzoo, understand that Jvzoo is a great platform. They've been around for many years. It's a great marketplace, but you need to learn how to sell their products. Otherwise, you're never going to be successful with them. Okay, so this is really what you need to learn, the BM plus M model, and I would love to show you how to do that. All you have to do, if you're interested in learning how to do that, just click the link right below this video in the description box. If you're on your mobile phone, just click on the arrow on the right hand side. It will reveal that link, enter your best email address, and I'm going to send you a video that's going to teach you this formula. Okay, it's a 7-step formula. I'm going to break it down for you, and you're going to learn how to do this. And then if you want to go out and market and sell Jvzoo products or any any ClickBank products or whatever affiliate products you want, then you're going to learn how to do that. So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from it, and I hope that we speak soon. Take care.